how to register a small business in Texas. So first, open your favorite web browser and search SOS Direct on it, and click the first link that you can see on the browser. Then click on Enter Site. So first, when registering your LLC in Texas, make sure you provide valid addresses and accurate informations for receiving all communications and fillings. After submitting your initial informations, you will need to create a password for your login credentials. The confirmation of your login details might take anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, so be patient and keep checking your email. Once logged into the Texas Secretary of State portal, you will need to enter your credit card information each time you use the site. This includes paying the filling fee, which is typically around $300 to $350. The system will use your credit card for any charges related to the filling and other services, though you will be informed of any additional cost beforehand. To start the LLC filling process, navigate to the Business Organization sections on the SOS Direct website. Select Domestic Limited Liability Company and then File Document. You will be completing a certificate of formation, which is essential for establishing your LLC. Ensure the business name you choose is available. You can perform a name availability search directly on the site. You'll need to designate a registered agent who will receive official document on behalf of your LLC. This can be yourself as long as you have a Texas address. Next, provide details about the LLC's governing authority, typically including the names and addresses of the initial managers or members. Complete the sections on supplemental provisions, the organization details, and any delayed effective dates if you want the LLC to become active at a later time. Note that the filing fee is $300 and there is an additional 2.7% charge for credit card payments. Once everything is correctly filled out, submit your filing. The Secretary of State will process your application and send confirmation via email or mail. With your certificate of formation and EIN, you will be ready to open a business bank account and start your entrepreneurial journey. For further assistance or to get an EIN, check the links provided in the video description. Remember, you don't need to pay exorbitant fees or start your LLL. Many of the necessary steps and resources are readily available. Hope this video helps you out to open your own LLC on Texas, and see ya!